Hello. From Wachatbot, we offer you a software that allows you to send automatically messages to all your WhatsApp contacts. The first step is to upload your contact list through an Excel file. To do this, go to the Contacts and Listings section and select the file with the contacts and click on Import button. Once uploaded, the new list will appear in the Listings section and we will be able to create a campaign to send text, photos, videos and other media files. In the Campaigns section, we have the option to create a new campaign. We must select the type of campaign, add attachments if any, the frequency and the list of contacts to which the messages will be sent. In the drop-down list will appear the list that we have just uploaded. We can choose this or a previous list. We can also indicate if the messages will start to be sent now or later by date/time. And finally, we write the message to be sent. Once the campaign is created, it will be added to the campaign history, which you can consult at the bottom of the page. From each campaign we can obtain one report indicating the successful and unsuccessful sendings, the status and other relevant information. We can also create campaigns with variables. This system is useful if we want to create a campaign. For example, for the reminder of appointments, for it we will create an Excel with the contacts and the different variables up to a maximum of 16. In the Sending Schedule section, we can set for each day the start and end times for sending campaigns. It is important to automatically stop sending so that our contacts do not receive messages at ungodly hours. Using the automatic responses, we can generate automatic registrations and cancellations as well as create different trigger words so that the robot responds to the messages that we configure when it detects them. At the bottom of the page you can access the keyword history to modify or delete them. Finally, you have the quick responses that allow you to create predefined text that you can send as a response with a simple click. This way you will save time not having to write over and over again the same messages. Once created, you will have access to them from the WhatsApp chat. Book a free online appointment and an agent will show you the program and clarify any doubts you might have.